Hello guys, another sketch for this afternoon and I will just get to it. So all good speed for all three. The first two took 3 minutes and the last one took 2.5 minutes. And I'm gaining more and more and more speed and more confidence, and actually I am seeing more results very quickly. I'm utilising geometric and observational methods and gestural for the hair. Hair isn't a massive priority at the moment because it's more guessing work, so hence the gestural. That is an area where I will need to look at in the future, but right now, excuse me, it is laying down the foundations and getting that skill down before I go on to say painting or charcoals. So the first one and the third one is the closest to the reference photo. More so, I would say the first one. But yeah, let me know what you think, and also keep at it, guys. Keep practicing your skills. This did not take me overnight. This has taken me months in the making. Specifically, the last 2 weeks, I have been focused on getting as many sketches done in an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours. So yeah, just keep practicing and you will get there. Keep up the good work. Bye.